Hello friends, and welcome back to an exciting episode of TGSI You Should Know, where I go over things esports, gaming, and technology news. It seems this season, honeycomb designs are in. That's right friends, SteelSeries has launched a brand new mouse, the Aerox 3. You know what? Let's just take a look at this ultra lightweight mouse. The Aerox 3 comes in two designs. Yes, that is correct. A 57-gram wired and a 66-gram wireless with up to 200-hour battery life, which is insane. Both mice are IP54 water and dust resistant with an aqua barrier, true move core sensor, and super mesh cable for the wired one, obviously. These are SteelSeries' lightest mice yet, and it's looking pretty sick. I'm really happy to see a lot of peripheral designers are going with the design, because the mice being so lightweight, it's easy to use, easy to maneuver, and it's a lot easier on the hands. You don't get as sore as a wrist. So I'm pretty stoked. I'm excited to see SteelSeries. We'll see what else you guys pull out this holiday season. So until the next one, friends, you guys want to find us online? Gaming Stadium CS on the old Twitter, and Facebook, Instagram, The Gaming Stadium. I'm your host, Steve. So until next one, friends, goodbye and good gaming.